All right guys, welcome back to Mainly Outdoors. My name's Jesse and today we are out on a brand new, is this a pond or a lake? Pond. We're on a brand new pond. Today we're targeting lake trout, but ultimately I would like to do a landlocked salmon catch and cook. We set up a couple traps. Hopefully one of those is gonna get a landlocked salmon and we're gonna do a catch and cook on that. But of course, you know, I love my lake trout and that's what we're gonna be doing right now. We're gonna be jigging. I am here with Zach, who you've all seen before, and back here we got Travis.
How's it going, everybody? I'm Travis, obviously. Hoping to get into some Lakers. I haven't caught a Laker yet.
Oh, you haven't got one yet this year?
Not this year.
Oh man, okay, new goal for the day. You know Jumanji, right?
Yeah.
So 2 strengths and a weakness.
2 of my strengths and a weakness?
Yep.
Well, one strength is I'm willing to go anywhere. I'll fish 5 miles back in the woods if I have to.
There you go. I like it.
My other strength is that there's really not a food out there that I won't eat. So really, if I go anywhere, I'm pretty good to go. I'll survive. A weakness is also that I'll eat anything because then sorry to keep the weight down a little bit, but that's me.
Awesome. I like it. I like it. Okay, I did not know that he had not caught a lake trout this year, so I think we're going to have to, oh man, that sun. We're going to have to change our goals. Hopefully we can get Travis on his first lake trout of the year. Anyway, I'm going to put this camera down and we'll see what kind of fishing we get into. You never figure it out. Like I never go fishing and be like, all right, I got it. Right, exactly. I know exactly what I'm doing now. Because you go somewhere new and everything's out the window. Yep. Or even just go out the next day.
Well, it's like fly fishing too.
Oh, especially with fly fishing.
You know, you go one place and a fly works really well. You go...
Oh.
Getting something?
Yeah. Nice. Just as we're talking.
He pulling you around?
He feels all right. Oh, I can't tell yet.
Does it feel like a Laker?
Oh yeah, it came off the bottom at 50, so if it's a salmon, I would be some surprised.
Oh. Yeah.
Oh, thank you.
That's a good one.
That's not bad. On the chartreuse. All right, well there you go, guys. That's a decent Laker. It's definitely not the size that we'd be going for on this lake, but hey. We found some fish. We were kind of looking around everywhere and hadn't really had much luck, but it's nice to know that we're actually on some fish and hopefully our chances improve here. I mean, now that we know they're here, I think we're gonna have good chances. We'll have a lot more confidence going here out. Yeah, I think we gotta get you on a chartreuse jig here. I might have some spares. Hopefully the chartreuse jig is gonna be the trick and Travis is gonna get on his first lake trout of the season. We'll see how that goes. That was only one fish, so that really doesn't say a whole lot about what today's gonna be like, but hopefully it's a good sign and we'll see what else we catch. Oh, fish, fish, fish. Ooh, it's a better fish.
Reel it up, I'm reeling up.
He must have just come out of nowhere.
He did. He's pulling drag, so it feels like a better one.
Definitely another Laker, you think?
Yeah. Came straight off the bottom in like 50 feet.
I think it's close to the top.
He's pretty close. Oh, I'm worried on this one. Oh. It's tough with this hole. My rod won't even reach to the bottom of it.
There he is.
Yeah.
Nice, dude.
He's not bad. He's fatter. That was cool. Yeah, they're definitely better fish in here. Like, he's got some sides to him. All right, so fish number 2. I kind of feel bad that you didn't get to catch that one.
Oh, no, that's good.
You both should sit closer to the flasher. But another nice, this is a good Laker. Like, this is a very healthy one for Maine anyway. He's got some nice thick sides. Not too big really, especially for this lake. But I'll take it. He's definitely a lively guy, so we'll let him go here.
What you'll do for a good shot.
I want that footage if you get that.
Yeah, absolutely.
All right, one quick look. Nice fish. Super healthy. They are really nice in this lake. Hopefully the next one that we get Travis hooked onto. I think I'm gonna leave my rod out of the water and see if we can't get him hooked into one. We got him with a chartreuse jig now, so hopefully he's gonna have some good chances. I mean, he just soaked his whole arm to get this. I'll show you the footage right here. Really cool stuff. He put his whole arm in the water just so we can get that fish coming in, and then the release shot. Super cool footage. And he's actually got a YouTube channel as well, so I'll link that down below. You guys can go check it out. If you got anything else like the shot you just got there, that's some dedication. Looks like there might be something on bottom. Drop in.
Yeah, so even though I've been doing this thing for a year, it hasn't really...
Oh, here it comes. Wait, reel up, reel up, reel up, reel up. Yeah! How's it feel?
Oh, it's awesome.
That's what you want to see. So a lot of times when you first drop, you'll see them shoot straight up like that.
Yeah, you called it, and I was like, oh, there we go.
Yeah, so when they do that, reel away from them. They're coming for it, and they expect a bait fish to escape, but act slightly wounded, you know?
Yep.
Only escape from them just enough for them to catch it.
Oh, no. Oh, he's a good one.
Is he?
Oh, yeah.
All right. Oh, there's the bubbles. Now play him easy here, because... Oh, there you go. Yep. He's a nice one. That's a good one.
That's a good one. All right.
Very nice. So you can just grab him by the tail. Right. Awesome, man.
Awesome, dude. Nice.
That's sweet.
Awesome.
Glad we can get you on a fish. You can just dunk his head in. Just hold on to that tail nice and tight. That way we can just keep him in the water.
All right, I'm just gonna...
Nice fish, man.
Awesome, thank you.
There you go.
Nice.
Awesome.
All right.
Nice.
Very first Laker jigging?
Yeah.
What?
Yeah. I've never really been into jigging before.
Yeah, with the flasher, it really makes all the difference. That worked out perfectly. We decided to switch up spots. We moved off of this little point here, hoping that there was going to be more active fish. And on the very first drop, Travis put down, and this fish just shot straight off the bottom and just smacked his jig. That was Travis's very first fish jigging.
And the only other fish I caught jigging was a largemouth bass.
Oh, so you've never really jigged too much in general?
Nope.
Awesome.
Yeah, so this was a new experience for me, and this is awesome. I can see how this can get addicting.
It's fun, right? And I like bringing new people out that have never caught a lake trout jigging, and to see their reaction was pretty priceless. He was super pumped, and that just gets me kind of psyched. So yeah, so my day's goal is complete. We're not done yet. We still got plenty of daylight left, and we're gonna hop around, see if we can't catch that 10, 15 pounder. It could happen. All right, so we'll jig here for a bit, and if we don't see anything, we'll keep pushing towards that point.
Yeah, awesome.
Good job, man.
Awesome.
That was sweet. That was a good one too.
Yeah.
Best one of the day.
Yeah.
Bite mine.
Yeah, I'll reel up. I've caught my fair share. Give you your chance. Wait for the action.
Please. Just give me one. I just want to catch one.
You can get him.
You can do it. You can do it. Come on. Yep. There's two of them down there. One was looking at it and the other just shot up and grabbed it. Is it a good one? Yeah, it feels pretty good. Oh, not as big as I thought he was. There we go. Still a nice one. Whew. Jeez, these fish are so cool. Jeez, he fought like he was a lot bigger. But that's still a beautiful fish.
All right, man.
Yeah.
Well done. Everybody got a fish.
Yeah.
All on chartreuse today.
All on chartreuse. Just getting a little worried.
We got everyone on a lake trout. Zach just caught his.
Yeah.
We got Travis on one, and I've got a couple. So we're not doing that lake or landlocked salmon catch and cook once again. I don't know what it is. There's a curse on this channel where I apparently cannot do a lake trout or a landlocked salmon catch and cook when I want to. We still got a little bit of sunlight left. I imagine we can at least get someone on one more lake trout here, and who knows, maybe now that I've given up on the salmon, we'll catch one of them.
Yeah, that one was quick.
Yeah.
Oh,
I'll throw some for you.
Got him.
Nice, dude.
Oh, there's two.
Yeah, stay down there.
feels like another decent lake trout. Actually, it might be bigger than the ones we've caught. This is really peeling my drag unless I accidentally messed with it. Ooh, I think this is a good fish.
Oh my god, I got one.
No way.
No way.
You might be tangled with me. You'll have to free spool yours.
Yep.
We're gonna have a mess when I get this in.
Uh-oh.
Yeah, I see your jig.
Come
So we're a little tangled. Oh, you got it.
Whoa. That was close.
Is that a big one?
It's a better fish.
Yeah.
Dude. Oh, maybe it's not as big as I thought.
Still a good one.
No, that's a good fish.
That's a nice fish.
That's a good fish.
Wow, that's good.
All right.
Nice.
This is more of the size we're looking for. This is decently above average for this lake. Oh, yeah. That's nice, dude.
That's a good one.
That's a good one, man.
Yeah, that's a nice one. Every single one of them has been on this chartreuse jig.
Yeah.
If you guys want to pick some of those up, definitely let me know. All right, stay up here. Just another beautiful lake trout, and we got Travis here going for the hero shot. So make sure you go check out his channel, because that is dedication. And off he goes.
Nice, dude.
That was sweet, dude.
Hell yeah.
Thanks, man. That was a really nice fish.
That was a nice
That was
fish.
a good one.
Go down in the comments and let me know what you think the size and weight of that fish was, and I will look at the average, and then we'll figure out how big that fish was from there through everyone's opinion, not just mine, because I'm awful at estimating, to be honest. Overall, great day. Good day to be out with some friends. Got Travis on his first jigged up lake trout, and Zach came in with the clutch fish right at the end, and we had a nice trout to finish out the day. I'd say decent quality fish for Maine overall. I can't complain. We're definitely going to come back here and seek out that 10, 15 pounder. I know there's got to be at least a couple in here. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you liked the video, make sure you hit the like button. And if you want to see more ice fishing, make sure you hit subscribe. As always, thank you guys for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video, and I will see you in the next adventure. Later.